Today, we're going to clone our own voice for GoHighLevel Voice AI so then we can actually have our voice agent sound exactly like us. So stay tuned and build along with us. So this is a pretty cool new feature. It's actually been around for a little while, but I wanted to make sure that people actually saw how we do it. So then you can try to do it yourself. And I'll give you some pointers and advice. And honestly, I just used AI to kind of give me a script to basically help create this particular voice AI. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go over to your left-hand side menu. You need to make sure that you have already an agent created. If you don't know how to do that, watch any of my buildathons, or more importantly, watch my voice AI video, and that'll walk you through the entire steps. For this one, we're just going to really focus on recording the voice so you can actually see how it's done. So I'm going to go over to the left-hand side. I'm going to go to AI agents. Once I'm in AI agents, I'm going to go to my voice AI. And I have already one created that I want to leverage and use or just add my voice to. I'm going to go to agent list, and in agent list, we have Nuno AI voice. Inside of Nuno AI voice, I'm going to go to the right-hand side, click on the edit button. And in here, right in this little voice area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that voice area. And in this voice area, you're going to notice my voices. When you click on my voices, you're going to notice add a custom voice, which is this big blue button that you have here. And you can either import it from ElevenLabs, which is where a lot of people create their voices, or you can actually do it right here. Now, when you come and do it right here, you are going to be using their particular mic, and you're going to want to enter a voice name and the provider, which is either going to be ElevenLabs or Cortista. I've never used that before. ElevenLabs, I already use it, have my voice cloned, but I wanted to give you an easy way in order to do this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to put in your voice name. So I'm just literally going to name it my name of Nuno. And then here you can either have the option of recording it and bringing it back, or like we're going to do today, we're going to actually hit the record button. Now, what I did before I'm ready to do any of this, I went to Claude and I had Claude write me a script that was going to be about 3 minutes long, which is going to be about 4 to 5 megabytes. So I'm comfortably under the 10 megabytes because if you look here, it says the max is going to be a 10 megabyte file. So I figured it's going to be anywhere from a 3 to a 5 minute reading that's going to allow you to do that. So then what I did is I had to create a script, and then I'll be reading off this script right here that you see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to this. I'm going to hit click to record, and then I'm going to start reading the script. Now, you can fast forward this part, but I want to show you the whole thing so you know how exactly I'm doing it and how you can make it as easy for you to do this as you want to do. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit click record, and we are going to rock and roll. AI isn't hard. It's being taught badly. That's the whole program and problem with the industry. People who have never built anything are selling courses on how to build everything. And you bought one, maybe two, maybe even 7. Here's the truth. Your tech stack isn't an asset, it's a liability. 12 tools, 47 tutorials, 0 systems that run without you. Let's talk numbers. I've trained over 10,000 students, 86,000 subscribers on YouTube. Our last workshop, 4 days, 1,200 people, and hundreds of apps built live. The cohort runs $2,470. Episode 47 drops Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Dashboards at localhost 3100, API keys, webhooks, MCP servers, CRM pipelines, A2P registration, January, February, March, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bottom line, winners aren't smarter. They're just inconsistent. Show up, build this thing, ship it, repeat. This isn't a trend. This is the operating model for 2026. And I'm here to replace your excuses, not you. Let's go. Okay, I've given it the recording. I can confirm this is really good to go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save. All right, now what it will do is it will use the custom voice and it's going to mimic it and do whatever it needs. And I'm going to come over here, and in here I should have Nuno, which is right here. So I'm going to click on Nuno. I'm going to hit save voice, and let's see what this does, right? So in here, I think it has been queued and will appear in voices shortly, which it did. All right, so we're going to give it a few minutes and then we're going to try it out. Hey, we want to interrupt this video for a quick little minute to just let you know that I hope you're enjoying this video. We want to thank you for being here, but more importantly, we are hoping that this content helps you do whatever you're trying to do inside of HighLevel. We also want to let you know that you have options to get additional help. We offer a $197 a month VIP coaching program that includes 4 days of office hours, first come, first serve, where we go in and we answer any of your questions that you might have live with a group group setting for other people that are also working in high level. We also have a VIP group where we answer questions directly one-on-one with anybody posting in that group to give you the absolute best support. It also comes with a bunch of other features, including our funnel brick system, our little mini course, and more importantly, a couple guides that'll help you through this, and also including our SOP library that we use for pretty much everything inside of our agency. So thank you for this quick little minute, but more importantly, go back to the video, get whatever you need. And if you have any questions that we can answer inside the video, just drop a comment on the video and we'll make sure to answer whenever we get a chance. And now back to the show. All right, let's give this thing a whirl and let's see how it did. So I'm going to go ahead and start a web call.
Hey, you have reached Automated Marketer. How can I help you today?
Awesome. That is completely my voice. I just wanted to see whether or not your voice was quality. Can you say a few more things just so I can see how you sound?
Of course. Happy to help you test things out. Let me know what you'd like me to say and I'll give it a go.
All right, not for nothing, but that's pretty cool. And now you have the ability of creating your own voice in your voice AI agents. So hopefully this is helpful and we'll see you in the next one.